Hello everyone, in this video I'll be doing a review of the Better Bears Mixed Berry 2-gram sugar naturally sweetened gummy bears that are vegan as well. And they have no sugar alcohols, plant-based, very high in fiber, no artificial sweeteners, made in Canada and naturally flavored. And in one of these bags there's 80 calories, 0 grams of fat, 36 carbohydrate, with 26 of this being sugar for 93% of your daily value, 2 grams of sugar and 0 grams of protein. So it's non-GMO soluble corn and or tapioca fiber, water, pectin, natural flavors, citric acid, stevia extract, natural colors, and some other ingredients. So I'm gonna get right into these. The Better Bears are honestly really good, and I'm excited to try this flavor out. It smells so good already. Let's see what colors we got. We got this like orangish color, and they're very chewy. You can stuck to your gums really well. Got some kind of berry. Red one now. I'm not sure what the last flavor was. It might only be 2 colors. I don't know what the flavor is. It tastes familiar though. Yeah, I'm not sure what it tastes like. I think there's only 2 different colors, but they both have a berry taste. Similar to something else, but I just cannot put my finger on it. Interesting. They're good though. Very chewy. Very like gummy. They're really good though. Unique. Zero guilt. And delicious. Stuck to the teeth though. Yeah, the Better Berries Mixed Berry. Pretty unique. They do taste like berries, and one of them, the red one tastes very familiar. Something, I'm not entirely sure what it is, but it tastes familiar. And they're really good, so I'd give the Mixed Berries, or Mixed Berry Better Bears, an 8 out of 10. These some pretty good gummy bears, and a berry flavor. They have a natural flavor that tastes somewhat artificial. Tastes like a candy I've had before, maybe like a cherry, strawberry, something. I don't know what the flavors are, but I do know that they are good. So I really like that. That was good. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below, and I'll see you in the next video.